Nifty followed a same pattern. It opened up, consolidated, then there is a pullback, and after that it bounced. And let's see what are the important levels for tomorrow's trading session. And let's create our plan for tomorrow. Nifty traded inside 120 points range today, and first off it traded in a first 15 minutes range, mostly first 10 minutes range. It traded till 12:30, and then there is a breakdown. We'll see the price action, what happened today in intraday. And we planned that this is going to be a support level if there is a gap up opening. It worked in the same manner. There is a pullback and it bounced from this level, and there is a price action also here around this level. There is a breakout, but there is not much momentum. And if you are looking in a smaller time frame, there is a breakout here as well. This level worked as per our plan. And if you are looking for the initial range breakout, here also it worked out. This initial range breakout for this target, there is a retest towards this level, and after consolidating here there is a breakout. Then as per price action also you can see there is a breakout. Let's see based on this price action what we can expect. And there is no momentum. It is almost 120 points momentum from this low point to this high point. Then this is like a 50 points range. This initial range is like 50 points range, and it consolidated in this range for a long time. Based on this price action, what we can expect tomorrow and what are the important levels, let's plan those. And what I'm seeing is there is an important resistance around this point. We can mark this level as well. And the day's high, this entire zone, you can consider this as a one level, but I'm marking it here. You consider that level. And then there is a breakout point. This should act as a support if it opens inside this range. This level will act as a support because we don't have any levels. This is a breakout level. You can consider this as a breakout level or this level. You can see any of this level. This level is important because this is a clear swing. We can see, let's mark these levels. This is a first initial range. Then there is a breakdown, pullback, breakdown, pullback, breakdown, and then it reversed. Here you can consider this as a swing high also, but this is a clear swing high and it broke this level here. If Nifty opens inside this range, consider this as a support. If it opens below this range, consider this as a resistance, or this level closing price as a resistance zone. Let's go to higher time frame and let's see what is happening. Nifty is opening gap up and closing higher. It retested this previous test closing and closed higher. Nifty is going higher on a daily basis without a big momentum after this breakout. The next level is this one, next important resistance level, which is around 24,500. You can mark this on your chart. If you are looking for a resistance zone, this is going to be important resistance zone around 25,500 to 530 zone. And let's go to 5 minutes time frame and let's create our plan for tomorrow's trading session. And as per our yesterday's plan, this support zone worked exactly as per our plan. I want you to get benefit from these videos and from these levels. That's why I'm creating these videos. You mark these levels on your chart, observe them, how the price is reacting at those levels. If you are confident enough, you can take the trades with 1% risk. Don't risk more than that. Okay. The first plan is if it opens flat, look for a breakout of this level or a breakdown of this level. If there is a breakout, measure this move from the low point to the breakout point. You can aim 1:2 as your target or 1:3. I recommend you to take 1:2 in this kind of market because there is no momentum in this market. I recommend you to go with a 1:2 risk reward ratio. And if there is any breakdown here, you should aim for this as a first target and this zone as a second target. This is going to be an important support tomorrow as well because there is a bounce from this zone. And one more plan is opening. We don't know whether there will be a gap up or not. And if there is any gap up, this will act as a support level or the closing price, and you should buy around this zone. And your target will be the high of the range or 1:2 from where you entered. If you entered somewhere here, you mark this level and the low point, you aim 1:2. This should be your first target and second target. 2 times of your risk level you should aim in the target. If this high point is more than 1:2, aim around this high point and you should book target around that point, that high point. And don't be greedy. Book your profits when you are in more than 1:2 or 1:3 profit. Book your profit and exit the trade. That's all. And these are the plans for tomorrow. Today also it's a silent market, but there is a move after a long consolidation. And this is a breakdown, simple breakdown pattern, trend line breakdown. Here there is a trend line and there is a breakdown. It went lower till this point, and even if you marked this level like this also, there is a breakdown around this point and there is a retest and it went lower. Last week I posted a video on how to trade trend channels profitably. If you want to learn how to trade trend channels profitably, I have given you the entire setup in that video, all the instructions, everything. Watch that video. You are going to gain a lot of knowledge in that video. I'm going to give you a link in the description. Watch that video. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.